Single-tongue fingerprint password lock installation tutorial. Step 1. Install the lock body. Fix the lock body with screws. Pay attention to the precision correspondence of lock tongue and lock body. Step 2. Lock the stud and let the wire go through the hollow square hole. Step 3. Install the front handle. Step 4. Turn the handle into the screw. Step 5. Screw out the battery cover, screw, and remove the rear handle, battery cover. Step 6. Install the rear handle. Put the wire through the handle and lock the screw. The screwdriver passes through the hole in the handle to lock the screw. Insert the wire into the battery box and put the wire into the rear handle. Clean up the extra wires. Be careful not to press the power plug. Close the cover of the rear handle and lock the screws.